My name is Eric Ogawa. I'm with BAPKO Metal, and we are a subcontractor in the construction industry working with miscellaneous metals.
I'm Masa Soganesian. I'm from DLC. I have been working with BAPKO to help implement and integrate moving from the legacy into Sage Intacct.
We were hitting our limits with Sage 300, just kind of reading the writing on the wall with, where we want to go as a business, that Sage 300 was not going to be good for us for very long. When we spoke to our reseller, they explained the options on what we're looking at. And with Sage 300 being the legacy, I think platform may have been one of the only third-party sources, without getting an individual consultant or kind of doing it on our own, that kind of had the expertise of the Sage 300 elements. So that was really the biggest reason behind that. Bringing over as much of the job history was important because that would mean less effort to see the full pictures of our ongoing jobs versus having to, know that some data set is in one system versus the other, and the combined data is the entire life of the project. And, we just thought this would simplify the business the best way by bringing over the data that we brought over.
You have set processes that are robust and they're designed to capture any issues. And I think that was one of the reasons that we might have considered, because we basically went off of what Alliance recommended. And as I was going through validations, pretty much everything was right on the money.
From the business side, not having to tap into the resources for the legwork on this, that was the ask and the reason to do that. We knew that when we made the decision of what it was that we wanted to bring over, what were we looking at in terms of in-house resources to do that. Knowing the Sage 300 database and how everything is constructed in there, yes, Intacct accepts data very easily, but unless you have the in-house resources and can dedicate the time it needs to take to do that on your own, I would strongly recommend considering a third party. And the experience we had with platform transition and their knowledge of Sage 300. So that's the other thing, is having somebody on that side with extensive Sage 300 knowledge to be able to do that.
I think the benefit of utilizing platform and benefit to BAPKO in terms of what they do in their operations is the fact that you guys were very thorough. You guys helped me address everything, make sure that when the time comes, BAPKO has what they need to move forward successfully. Clearly, I could see that in the quality of the work and the uploads and the API extractions and all of that. So that was very good. I have nothing but good things to say about how well that worked.